Welcome to Designing and Delivering More Effective Lectures. This presentation aims to enhance your teaching skills, focusing on creating engaging and impactful lectures. Let's explore strategies to captivate your audience and improve learning outcomes. A good lecture efficiently transfers knowledge, models expert thinking, and inspires new perspectives. It delivers essential facts, demonstrates clinical reasoning, and challenges students to view medical concepts through fresh lenses. Let's delve into how to achieve these goals. Poor lectures face challenges like NOLS, low retention, and passive learning. Nodding off events indicate disengagement, while information is quickly forgotten. Students become spectators rather than participants. Addressing these issues is crucial for effective education. Active learning significantly enhances retention. Teaching others yields 90% retention, while practice by doing achieves 75%. Discussions and interactive exploration reach 50%, whereas passive listening in lectures results in only 5 to 15% retention. Let's focus on active strategies. Live lectures offer social presence, immediate clarification, and spontaneous discussions, enhancing engagement. Recorded lectures provide flexibility and review opportunities, but lack immediate feedback. Balancing both can optimize learning experiences. Educators aim to inspire, challenge, and transmit information. Inspiring students kindles curiosity. Challenging them develops critical thinking, and transmitting knowledge builds foundational understanding. Prioritizing these goals shapes effective teaching strategies. Great lectures are relevant, passionate, interactive, and well-prepared. They connect to clinical practice, convey importance enthusiastically, engage meaningfully, and are organized with thoughtful practice. These elements ensure impactful and memorable learning experiences. Lecture styles have evolved from traditional to modern approaches. Traditional lectures involve reading from text with minimal interaction. Modern lectures are interactive, encourage participation, and integrate multimedia. This evolution enhances engagement and retention. Engaging content involves establishing relevance, connecting to prior knowledge, adding clinical links, and layering complexity. Start with patient cases. Build bridges from familiar concepts. Integrate real-world applications, and gradually increase complexity for effective learning. Engaging performance includes voice variation, strategic movement, and eye contact. Change pitch and pace to emphasize points, move purposefully to engage students, and maintain eye contact to create personal connections. These techniques enhance audience engagement. Interactive lectures involve asking thought-provoking questions, using props, incorporating reflection breaks, and implementing team activities. These strategies encourage active participation, making abstract concepts concrete and enhancing understanding. Questions are powerful tools in education. They elaborate knowledge, assess understanding, stimulate curiosity, and embrace uncertainty. Well-crafted questions connect concepts deeply and reveal knowledge gaps, driving effective learning and intellectual interest. Answering questions effectively involves listening completely, thinking aloud, embracing humility, and acknowledging great questions. Give full attention, model reasoning, admit when unsure, and praise insightful inquiries to encourage participation and learning. Flipping the classroom involves pre-class preparation, in-class application, and a changed teaching role. Students review content independently, while class time focuses on complex concepts. Instructors become facilitators, enhancing engagement and understanding. Visual design tips include using 5 to 7 words per line, a minimum 24-point font, high-quality images, high contrast colors, and minimal animations. Avoid paragraphs, tiny text, decorative images, low contrast, and distracting transitions for effective presentations. Technology and tools are essential for effective lectures. Use 3 to 5-minute video segments, limit devices to 2, and follow the 15-minute rule to test technology. Always have a backup plan to ensure smooth delivery and address any technical issues. In conclusion, effective lectures remain valuable through engagement and active learning. Transform passive listening into active participation. Like any clinical skill, teaching improves with deliberate practice and feedback. Thank you for your commitment to educational excellence.